As the same we've done with our fiscal assistance, with passports being standardized by different nations and governments over the past century to allow for international trade and travel to happen, we need a digital identity in the digital space. Veriden Key, we're very focused on bringing back the control of who has access to their data, who can view their data, and who can actually use the individual's data back to the user. We are trying to give the user a full overview of their data landscape. Now, that is quite a different move from where identity has been so far, where we have been reliant on the single pillars of identity issuers. For example, here in the UK would be like the DVLA and other government agencies that we rely on to tell other companies that we deal with, including our employers or businesses, of our verified identity. Now, decentralizing it and bringing it to the centralized government, we can actually bring identity back into the user's hands. With blockchain being seen as a credible technology by governments and large financial institutions, blockchain has presented a whole new paradigm in how to deal with identity. Veriden Key is a blockchain-based verified identity key solution. We're working together with government to bring decentralized technology and the benefits of it to the centralized. Together with governments, we can create a verified and secure government EID interconnecting different nations. And that way, you can share information across borders and ensure interoperable relationships without compromising someone's personal information.